Want to make your data pop with compelling table designs in Adobe Illustrator? Alright, let's dive right in and unlock the power of table borders in Illustrator. First, make sure you have your table ready. If you haven't already created one, use the Type tool and drag to create a text area. Then, go to Type in the menu bar and select Insert Table. Then define your rows and columns. Now that your table is set, let's add those borders. Look for the table panel. If it's not visible, go to Window in the menu bar and select Type, then Table. Inside the table panel, you'll find a few options. This is where all the magic happens. First, choose the cell styles, row styles, and column styles that fit best with your vision. Select your entire table, or just the parts needing borders, by clicking and dragging to highlight them. Then click the cell styles. To control the borders, first make sure your table is selected, then check out the table panel for the options to the borders: weight, color, and style. See the stroke options. Play with the weight to define the thickness of your border. Choose a color by clicking the color swatch. You can even use the eyedropper tool here to match your document. Customize the stroke style by using the drop-down and selecting a style. Try solid, dotted, or dashed lines. There you have it. You have successfully enabled table borders in Adobe Illustrator and can now effectively organize and visually enhance your data. Remember to experiment with different styles and colors to create the perfect design. Go ahead and start designing.